Olymtech Technology Development Co. Ltd. is an enterprise specializing in air compressors, after-treatment equipment systems, and gas generator products. We have 20-plus years of experience in R&D, production, sales, export, and after-sales service. Give you the guarantee of its quality and performance. Currently, we have 12 self-owned and cooperative factories, all of which have advanced assembly production lines and professional R&D, production, testing, and after-sales teams to support us in manufacturing products that are meeting ISO quality system, CE, and compressor industry standards. Our main products are screw air compressors, scroll air compressors, refrigerated air dryers, adsorption air dryers, combined air dryers, air precision filters, air receiver tanks, oxygen generators, and nitrogen generator, etc. For overseas market, we have sold over 100,000 units of high-quality air compressor system to 90 countries, have served over 8,000 customers, have authorized distributors in 44 countries. We have been striving for and insisting in producing more energy-saving, high-efficiency, better quality air compressor systems to global. The sky more blue is our vision. Let's join hand together. Choose Olymtech high-quality and energy-saving air compressors and contribute to a more green environment and a more blue sky. Buy compressor. Choose Olymtech.